Hello and welcome to another episode of Last Orders. If you enjoy content, please do drop a like and subscribe. Really do appreciate it. It does help us grow. So what's happening in the markets this week? We had CPI come out on Wednesday. It came out sort of as expected and slightly better. So core came out at 5.5, which was expected, and regular CPI came out at 4.9%, which was slightly lower. It was expected at 5%. We got a little bit of a bounce in the markets on that news, and then straight away we've retraced back down. As you can see, BTC on the daily time frame, we are testing this all important 12-hour level at 26.8k, currently trading below. If we get daily close below that, then I think we go to 25.2k. Been saying this for a little while. This level all important. There's nothing really in terms of support below this. If we go to the lower time frame, so this was the CPI day, had that rally and then big spike down. I think that was on the news that, or the false rumours that the US government was selling BTC. Retrace, come back up, but as you can see, couldn't get above that 27.9k day level. And we've been breaking down ever since. A bit of a bounce starting to form today. However, as I say, the all-important daily close, will it be above or below 26.8? We'll have to wait and see. Ethereum. So the sequence of events that I talked about over the last week or so, we've finally got that daily close below 1821. So now we're testing the weekly support 1783. If we get a weekly close below that, then that opens the door to testing the 1721 monthly level. And if we close below that on the monthly time frame, then this ends up being a big deviation and we could see much lower prices. However, we've still got another 19-20 days to go. So yeah, we'll have to wait and see. But as I say, need to wait for the weekly to close first. See if that closes below, and then we'll test the 1721. In terms of altcoins, they are going as expected, so still breaking down, testing these 5th of December weekly levels, which, as I've said before, very important, as this is sort of the last line of support before a potential retest of the December-January lows. So ADA still got some catching up to do. It did get below that daily level of 37 cents that we talked about. Had a bearish retest, but not breaking down just yet. Having a little bit of a rally today. But I think eventually it will work its way down to 33 cents. And then if it breaks below that, then you're looking at the weekly range low at 25 cents. BNB, again, still breaking down after that deviation back into the weekly range highs. I think it's going to make its way down to this mid-range level. However, the current level of support that it needs to break, this one here at 303, as you can see, having a little bit of a bounce today, but I think once that level is broken, then it should be a move down to 273, and then break that level, and you could see the range lows down at $200-ish potentially. ZIL continuing to break down from its weekly range high, testing again 5th of December weekly level, weekly mid-range, lose that, and we're going to the weekly range lows of 0.015, I think. DOT, again, testing its mid-range, which is the 5th of December weekly level. It's trading below it at the moment. Looks very unlikely to hold. So a weekly close below this monthly mid-range weekly level at $5.57, and I think we go to the monthly range lows down at the $4-ish. NIA, trading inside this range. So this was the previous range low of this higher range. This is now the range high. Broke back inside it. It's already lost the 5th of December weekly level, which is what that level was. It's already tested the weekly mid-range at $1.54. So lose that, and I think we go down to $1.25. VeChain, again, testing or attempting to hold this 5th of December weekly level, lose this level, and I think it goes down to the lows, again, January-December lows of 0.015. And Matic, slightly different looking chart, but as we talked about on Monday, we've already had that monthly deviation back inside the range, so it's heading towards that monthly range lows at 75 cents. And on the weekly, as you can see, it looks very likely to lose this weekly level of support here at 92 cents. So no reason why it shouldn't continue down to 75 cents. So, but as we're saying on Learning Crypto, we talked about it on our live stream this morning. On Fridays, me and Ash do a 1 hour live stream, open mic, so people can come in, ask questions, and we talk about what's happening in the market and stuff like that. And we're talking about, yes, we might be going lower, certainly in alts over the next 3, 6, maybe possibly even 9 months. However, that equals opportunity there. Well, there already is some fantastic buying opportunities. If you just take DOT as a random example, it's at $5-ish. Previous all-time high is $55. So you're looking at a potential 10x return if we obviously go back to all-time highs. And obviously the lower we go, the better that risk reward. You know, if we go down into the $4, you're looking like a very, very good return. I mean, exactly what happened in the last cycle where we bottomed out around $3.50, went up to $55. So where there is, where there's crisis, there's opportunity. So the lower the prices go, the more excited you should be as an investor. So it's not all doom and gloom. As I say, potential better opportunities to come. So keeping an eye on this daily level on BTC, as I say, a close below 26.8, and I think we go lower, and then the weekly closes on a lot of these alts. The 5th of December weekly level, take a look at the alts that you're interested in, take a look at where that 5th December weekly level is and where they are in their ranges, and we could well see a return to range lows, which are around that December January lows. So yeah, have a good weekend. Try not to spend all of it on the charts. Get outside, enjoy the weather if it's good where you are. And we'll be back this week. It is a proper Monday markets. It is on Monday, so have a look out for that. And I'll go over everything you need to look out for in the coming week. But as I say, aside from that, enjoy your weekends, and I'll see you next week.